No matter how big or small your business is, your social media presence has a huge opportunity. And that's even coming from the SEO guy. Now, social media is pretty cool because it's another free tool that you can use. Here's what's interesting about it. The more you give on social media, the more you get back. I've built a multi-million-dollar business, and a huge chunk of that comes from social media. Now, what I've learned is free is profitable. And what I mean by that is the more you give away, the more people begin to trust you. And the more consistently you give away, the more you post, the more algorithms on these platforms are going to reward you and get you in front of more people. And the more people you get in front of that you continue to give away more free advice to, then here's what happens. They end up paying your company, but they pay because they trust you. Now, I'll share one interesting example. So a lot of people follow me for business advice, but here's where they convert. I get a message that says, "Hey, Damon, I know you do SEO, and we'll talk about that here in a minute, but that was really cool what you said about your wife and your kids." So the more that you can get people to relate to you, the more you can share your personality, the more your vibe will attract your tribe. So don't be afraid of not being ultra professional 24/7. Showcase your personality and showcase your individuality. The more you are authentically you, the more you'll reach a broader audience. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned a lot in today's video. Don't forget to like the video. That gives me feedback so I know what more topics to produce. What more topics is a phrase, right? Click the subscribe button and enable that little notification bell right there so you also know when I drop a new video.